Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another topic. Today my video actually it's something different. I'm going to show you today how to activate and deactivate tub clean. TCL is showing some customers, they are asking what is this error message. Sometime it is unfortunately by mistakenly it's activating tub clean. At the same time, to the display showing TCL. Some customers are asking what is this error message. It's not the error, actually it is tub clean option activate. Now I'm going to show you today with the video. I'm going to show you how to activate and deactivate, what kind of benefits you can get after selecting tub clean option. Now you can see this is the topic today. Now we will go to the next step. Also I will show you after activate, that's mean every 3 months at least, every wash 30 40 50 wash cycle completing. At the same time you have to activate the tub clean option, and I will show you what kind of benefits we can get after activating, after using this option, and we will go to the next step. Tub clean option, it is available with the both kind of washing machine, that's mean front loader and top loader washing machines. Available so many brands having the same option, tub clean. While you are checking with the machine display, you can identify where is the tub clean option. It is, we are calling different name: tub clean, drum clean and self clean, like that. So many names we are using. Now I'm going to explain to you what kind of benefits after selecting this option we can get. You can I will show you my display, and here you can see. And I'm going to explain to you: remove detergent residue, fabric softener, build up in dirt and grime that regular wash cycle leave behind. These residues accumulate on the drum, outer tub and hard to reach areas. That's mean actually if we cannot clean by ourselves, that is hiding areas. That's mean drum and tub in between this remaining things, lot of while we are removing time, you can find, we are finding so many dirt like a tar or something is coming from the machines. That one, after selecting this option, it will go immediately, because while you are selecting this option, don't use the normal detergent. You have to use something special like borax. We can use also Chlorox, and also some specially having washing machine cleaning liquid and powder available in the market. You can purchase and you can use for this option. Empty drum, actually don't put any cloth, that is, it should be inside empty without cloth only. You have to select this option. Now I will go for other one: eliminate and prevent mold, mildew and bacteria growth which thrive in the damp, dark environment of the washer. The other thing is keep your cloth clean and pressure. Also extended the life of the machine. Also improve hygiene by residue allergen and contaminants that could defective sensitive skin. You know, some we are finding while we are servicing washing machine, both type of washing machine, that's been front and front loader and top loader, both machine we are removing for the servicing. At the same time we can find lot of dirty inside the machine. At that one, actually it's very bad for our kids health, because the skins having some skins effect will come. Because of that, definitely every month I'm recommending, every month you have to clean your washing machine with the tub clean with some chemical. Now this one you can see, it is how it work. Typical behavior, that's mean the cycle usually runs with the machine empty, no cloth. Earlier also I told you, it's often use hot water longer soak time, stronger agitation, high speed spinning and higher water volume to flush out a residue. Many models recommended or work better with a dedicated washing machine cleaner, tablet, powder, bleach or vinegar, not a regular laundry detergent. That's what I told you before also. If you are going to activate this option with your washing machine, you don't use regular detergent or powder or liquid. You have to use actually this special tablet or liquid. That's what here telling, dedicated washing machine cleaner, tablet or powder or bleach or vinegar, not regular laundry detergent. Top clean option recommended frequency, at least recommended frequency, the most manufacturers suggest running it about once a month. Earlier also I informed to you, it is once a month or every 30-40 loads, or whenever you notice the black spot like a white spot coming at the same time, it is the info that is early warning. Residue your reduced performance. Some machine display remind TCL or similar. It's especially actually LG machines, it's already showing TCL. At the same time you have to activate the top clean option and you have to select that option. After that it will disappear, otherwise always it will come TCL. That's mean early warning giving by itself to you. Activate the top clean option. Now if you select that, if you use that option, after the cycle finish, leave the door lid open, let the drum dry completely. This further discourage mold. Always check your specific model. A manual for exact instruction as detail vary by brand. LG, Samsung, Whirlpool, Panasonic, like that. In short, using top clean regularly is simple preventive maintenance that keeps your washing machine pressure more effective and longer lasting while making your laundry come out better. Now this is the tips and what kind of benefits we are getting from the machine after activate top clean option. Now one of my customer actually gave a call to me. He having 3 washing machines. All the washing machines 3 as same. After washing his cloth, all the fabric, that's mean especially here in Middle East, local customers using always white cloth. After using his washing machine, it's coming with the black spot with the cloth. Because of that, now I'm going to the customer house and I will show you what I can do, how I can resolve this issue. Hi friends, today I came to visit one of my customer house because he gave a call to me and he asked come and check his washing machine. Here 3 washing machines are here. All 3 washing machines are getting after finishing his cloth. It's too much dirty coming. Because of that, now I came and came to his house and I'm check the machines. This one almost 5 years he didn't clean this machine, but in these 3 machines available top clean option. Now I informed to him he have to use the top clean option. After that he can resolve the issue, and I will show you how to setting, how to activate top clean option, and we will go to the next step. This now I'm going to use this area and I'm editing here. Also here also. Also here. I added already. This is actually the Ariel Platinum Gel. Now I'm going to activate here top clean option. This one you can see here. Now I'm going to activate tub clean option. I given power connection. Also here, already here, tub clean. I have to come here. Tub clean, TCL, that's mean tub clean option. Now after selecting this option, all the dirty will go with the, because with the water, it's RPM which is very high, tub cleaning, tub spinning. Now I will activate this one. Now it is 1 hour and 10 minutes. It's only the tub clean option which will go for continuously. Now I will set here this one also. This is also a 2-in-1 dry and wash and dry. This is 19 kg washer and 11 kg machine dry. Now I'm acting here. No any tub clean option. You can see here. It's no any tub clean option. You can see here. But we have to activate here. You can see here. This spin and time. The spin and temperature, 2 button together we have to press 3 seconds. After that it will activate. Now I will press. Now you can see, dear friend, it is came already tub clean option. Now I will start here. Now it's detecting actually. After detecting it will come, door already got locked. Now you can see here. Here it is 1 hour and 28 minutes. It will go wash, rinse and spin. This is tub clean option. Now you can see from the beginning it's high RPM taking machines. You can see here, and I will start other machine also. Here also, dear friends, it is already here, no any tub clean option here. I will start the machine, but no any tub clean option. But here you can see here this rinse plus and delay end. This rinse plus and delay end, we have to press 3 seconds. You can see here delay end and rinse plus. After it's coming tub clean option. Now I will start. Now 1 hour and 12 minutes it will go for the tub clean option. Now this all 3 machines it will work tub clean. Now I already select 3 machines tub clean option. After ending this option, the all 3 machines will get very good clean. And if you don't know how to activate tub clean option, now you know how to activate the tub clean option. And thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video.